Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I want to go with the buyers here. This is my first trade. It's gonna close on the next candle. For some reason it's on 2 minutes. I didn't check this. I should have checked this before. Okay, the reason behind this is we have this overlapping level. Previously we have this ranging market. If we could take advantage of the common points of rejection. Okay, just like this. Common points of rejection. And after breaking this range, just like before breaking that, we have this overlapping level. Okay, so this overlapping level is trying to tell us something. This is some unusual movements of the market. Okay, overlapping level right here. So just before breaking this resistance, it created this demand area and then broke it. So because we have some big decisions for breakout, right? This is the big decision. And also we have major trend, minor trend, two reasons for taking this buy trade beside all of this. Okay, so this is going to be my first trade. It should have been a winning trade right now, but since it's on 2 minutes, it's going to close on the next candle. I will look for other opportunities. Okay. Oh man, look at this. This has been a crazy rejection market. This is an engulf, right? So let's just see if we have anything inside of this. Engulf. All right, I don't see anything. If this candle closing like this, I will go with the sellers if it's closed like this. Okay. My first trade is about to be a winning trade. I will go one more time with the buyers. Let's go. I go one more time with the buyers. And then this one. No, if it was closing up here, I would go with the sellers. But for now, I'm not going to go with the sellers. Let's just look for other opportunities. All right. Today we have a lot of rejection markets. Look how many opportunities we could have on these markets. That is insane, right? All right, after this candle closes, I will go for 2 minutes. Again with the bars, but this time for 2 minutes. Because we might have a small retracement here and then go up since it's on a red green pattern. But that is a very low probability to have a retracement here because, you know, taking the sell trade is super risky because it's against the minor and major trend. So we just prefer to go with the bar, just like the previous one. If we were taking a 2 minute trade here, it would close on this one. Just like here, we take a 2 minute here, we might have a retracement, and then the next candle goes up. For now, we have seller's entry here. I add one more just to secure that one because there's a very low chance to drop since we have strong uptrend. Okay, let's just okay, I go with the bars here with this late entry because simply we have this trend line A, B, C, and then based on the market sequence, we can have a green candle here, but this gap up is against us. Okay. Oh man, it's still on 2 minutes. What am I doing? Okay, this trade also is going to close on the next candle. That's fine. We're just going to go with the, if you looked at this, it's all with the trend. Okay, we haven't taken a single trade against the trend. It's so important to take all the trades with the trend. Okay. Okay, we have a beautiful doji here. I will take advantage of this doji 100%. Okay. Dojis in rejection markets like this are gold. Let's see if we're gonna break this. I will take the trade. All right, this trade's about to be a losing trade, man. Unbelievable. At least this trade should, this down here should be a winning trade. Okay. Yeah, it's a winning trade. That's fine. We secure this trade. All right, so let's see, where was the doji? Let me just see. Where was the freaking doji? Okay, it hasn't broken this yet, but we have common point of rejection down here, or maybe down here. So my entry would be either on this common point of rejection, since it has a gap down. It's more likely to buyers to enter. So if it was coming down on this common point of rejection, that'd be a very nice entry. Okay. Otherwise, I'm not going to take any trade. Okay. Yes, it's coming down. Let's go. My entry is beautiful. My entry is absolutely fantastic. Okay. If you look at the previous time, we have some crazy opportunities too. Look at this doji. I should have taken double trade on this one, to be honest. We have this doji just like this one, and then was a winning trade. We have this one, and this candle right here, it's breaking two dojis. It's breaking two dojis. It has a gap down, okay? So it's absolutely beautiful to take this trade, just as this one is closing above these two dojis, and then it's also exhaustion candle. All right, so this trade would be takeable because it has a gap up as well. All right, so we still have opportunity on this doji after breakout. Okay, we have a gap down here again, so buyers will enter again, but this time my entry would be here, which it didn't touch, but still no problem. I will wait for this one to close above this doji. We might have this coming, but it's only two rejections. If it was more, I would consider taking a common point of rejection there as well. All right, so new common point of rejection is going to be down here for me to enter. All right, little more, please. All right, I go two trades on this one. My second entry is terrible. I hope they reject very well. Man, if I see a doji in this kind of range, I'm gonna take a million trades on that market. But this is what I call the golden market. Some people just struggle to find good markets, and when I ask them what type of market would you call a good market, and they're not able to answer. Okay, so you have to know what are you looking for. This is another common point of rejection, but I'm not going to take this one. I already have two winning trades. Why would I risk this, right? Why would I risk this? I could take this one as well, but why would I? All right. That was pretty nice. All right. We took pretty good trades, man. I'm not going to lie. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like for me and make sure you join the Telegram channel only using the link. Don't search up the name because there's some similar channels using my name for scam people. You should be careful. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.